Welcome back, YouTubers. Alright, welcome back, YouTubers. We are gonna keep working in our Rain character, and last time we just made a position of one position of the Rain character. So today we're gonna do the second position, and we do little by little. Okay, so let's dive into it.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So in this video, we'll teach you how to subscribe to channels. This will let you see more content from those channels you like. Before you do anything, make sure you're signed into YouTube, whether it's on your computer or mobile device. Go to any video of the channel you want to subscribe to. Click subscribe. That's it.
Okay, so from last time, from what I remember, we did the first position, but it looks like I didn't record the keys, so I didn't save anything right now. Let's do this one first, and so we click A to select the whole character, I to key it, location, rotation, and now let's move on into the next one. Let's put the next one on 1. Maybe we do increments of 10. Just 10. And now let's continue. Okay. Okay, I don't know where I clicked. My picture in the background was shrink or something, so I closed it. I didn't save it. I closed it and open it again. I'm gonna do again the step where we select the whole character. Okay, and our first frame, rotation, location. Okay, now let's continue. Let's see how is it looking now. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it at this point. We're getting close. That's the second position. I will do the next time the third position. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.